Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's problem statement is write a Java program to find the sum of all digits in a given number. So here, first we need to take the integer input from the user, then we just calculate the sum of its all digits. For example, if the input is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it's an integer, we just separate the digits into separate numbers and plus them. Okay, here the concept we need to use is loops and arithmetic operations. Okay, let's dive into the program. First, we need to take the input from the user. So I create one scanner object. Scanner. Scan is the object name. New scanner. System dot in. Okay. Then I use the scan object to get the integer input from the user. So scan dot next int. Now we need to store this integer input to the variable int number. Okay. Now we got the number. So we just print the sum of all its digits. So first we need to store the sum, right? Initially it's 0 and I'm using here is a for loop, sorry, while loop. In this while loop, I just say the condition number not equal to 0. Okay, the loop will execute the number until the number is 0. Okay, so first I need to separate the numbers, the digits in the numbers and sum of to the sum. So first int remainder equal to number modulus 10. Here what will happening is the actual number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the remainder of this number is 5. Okay. So 5 will be remainder. So now we just add the sum. Okay. First we get the remainder and add to the remainder to the sum. Then convert the number equal to number divided by 10. So this will give the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is the actual number. After divided by 10, this will return the 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4. Okay, this is the number. So it will execute until the number becomes 0. Okay, and print the S out sum. Okay, also here I just print the one print statement S out enter number. Okay, now you can clearly see the console. So I just execute this program. Okay, it asking enter the number. I give 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the output is 15. Okay, let's check the output 15. Yeah, that's right. Okay, again I run this program. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is 15, we know. Again I add 5. 5 means it's 20, right? We just see the it's give 20 or not. Yeah, it will give 20. Okay, so I hope you can understand this program. Actually here it's a simple program. We just get the number from the user and initially the sum is 0 and while loop, the while loop is iterate until the number becomes 0. and it will get the remainder of this number, and store the remainder to the sum, and then we just convert the number equal to number divided by 10. So it will run until number becomes 0. Okay, that's it. Mm. Thank you for watching this video.